Was there a time when someone believed in you before you believed in yourself?
This previous 3 years, it was my sister, which she is back of me.
What do you think AI is missing today?
Missing, you can say, some small sense to give you some sense.
If you had 300 years to live,
Okay.
what would you stop worrying about?
I will not care about anything.
Hello.
Hello,
Can you please introduce yourself?
this is Mohamed Salah. I'm Egyptian, 39 years old.
Right. Mohammed, can you share a moment where someone deeply impacted your life?
Oh, I have very deep story, to be honest. Yeah,
Let's start.
I was in very wow position, government employee, and everything it was fine. And suddenly, 3 years ago, I am now, same you come from Burj Khalifa to, yeah, like this it was. Yeah. It's
Okay.
really, it was very, but Alhamdulillah, I'm now trying to recover myself as well.
So was there someone who actually...
Yes, my colleague, which we worked together 13 years in one office.
Right.
Yeah. So
Okay.
this is the story.
What's the kindest thing a stranger has ever done for you?
A stranger.
A stranger
Yes.
has ever done for you?
Yeah, the stranger it happened with me at night, even yesterday. Exactly, my car was stuck on the sand, and it was around 7 a.m. One guy stay in his car. He asked me, "What's happened, bro?" I said, "One, two, three." He said, "He go and bought by himself the wire, and he came and he pulled me." Okay, I said, "No, khalas, this is from me to you." Well, exactly.
Right.
This night, exactly.
Right.
Yeah.
Was there a time when someone believed in you before you believed in yourself?
This previous 3 years, it was my sister, which she is back of me.
Your sister?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, because I have 4 sisters and only me, and the only one with me here, and she's better than
She's
group
pushing
of,
you. Yeah, pushing you to go back on the top.
She was the hero.
Right.
She only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you use AI?
Yeah, of course.
You do.
Yeah.
What do you think AI is missing today?
Missing, you can say, some small sense to give you some sense. You will not feel it from, it should be also updated, but
Sense.
sense.
To like feel.
Feeling.
Feeling.
Yeah, feeling, like
Okay.
a feeling. Yeah. That sometimes I feel it's missing from AI.
Right. You feel that the feeling is missing from the AI.
Yeah. Not feel, I see, I can understand that, to be
Okay.
honest. Yeah.
If you had 300 years to live,
Okay.
what would you stop worrying about?
300 years. It's a very, very wow number. I will not care about anything. I will understand, to be honest, that life is no need all of this drama, no need all of this.
So stop worrying about everything.
Yeah, just freedom and enjoy. Just enjoy. Because finally God created us to enjoy from our life. Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Thank you so much for joining us here
Thanks
today,
a lot.
Mohammed.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.